I woke up this morning with my heart so heavy. I was thinking how it is for me when I travel without my son and I'm calling home asking what's he eating, what's he wearing, how he's faring, and all of that over and over again, even though I know he's secured, he's okay where he is. Now imagine parents.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí nípa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí BIOLA BAYO lórí bí ó ṣe call out bàbá Tinubu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ insecurity tí ó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Arábìnrin yìí ò sunkún síta o. Kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin yìí bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe lọ.
Who do not even know where their children are. They are not even sure if these kids are alive or not. The teachers have children, most likely they have children, they have family members, they don't know where their parents are. And everyone has been shouting, making videos, calling on federal government and all. We need help. We need help. It's been election here, primaries here, election. We know you're going to have your elections and nothing is going to stop it. We understand that. But could you please pause for a minute? Could you pause for a moment and look into this insecurity? Because it's getting out of hands. We are scared. For people like us who have always believed in Nigeria, we don't want to live anywhere else except Nigeria. We are scared. We are scared. We don't know who next, where next, or what next. We don't know. Please, help us. This is getting out of hands. We are not able to travel anymore. We hardly would want to take job outside Lagos. Even in Lagos, it's enough trauma that food is very expensive, accommodation is expensive, transportation is very expensive. That's enough trauma on its own. Now adding insecurity, this has been around for a while, I know, but it's getting out of hands. Could you please help us? This is not too much to ask of this government. At least, a lot of people are abroad that wants to come home, but they are not able to. They can't because of insecurity. Hey, they Joe now, please. It's been 11 days without these people. We are not sure. The teachers, the students. It's been 11 whole days. Please now, hey, they Joe, do something. Federal government, state government. There must be something you can do. Please do something. It's getting out of hands. Help us, please. Help us.